guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, and also I want to say there's my cat Mia. You guys always see her. She's like, I always see her that she's like always around in the video when I'm editing. But as you guys can tell in the title, I will be showing you guys how I do my deep waves. I have been doing it ever since I got this product because I have been obsessed with it. And I actually feel like it's gonna be like a new trend when we go into 2021. So if you guys want to see how this hair look came out, make sure you guys keep on watching. And before we start, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. So let's just go ahead and get started. I hardly do these kind of videos. Like, I hardly do hair videos because honestly, my hair is one of the hairs that I'm just like over it. I hate doing my hair. I really do hate doing my hair. Like, I try not to wash my hair that much because I do want to keep it, you know, kind of styled, and I hate having to wash it because I do have curly hair and sometimes it's like that curl frizzy hair and I get over it and I put it in a bun. But I'm trying to avoid that because my hair is falling off when I do that. So I don't want to be doing that anymore. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my deep wave hair using the Bellami deep waver. I just love this product. They sent it over to me. This is not sponsored at all. Just want to let you guys know that they just sent it over. They just wanted to see me try it and just kind of, you know, play with it, and I'm obsessed with it. It comes in this little bag. Don't hate me, it has hair, but I think it's pretty cool that it comes in a little bag. But I'm like obsessed with this. Like, I was never really into these kind of products, you know. I was all about like the strainer and like the little wand, but this has changed my life because I even do this when I am doing my curly hair, like my natural curly hair, and I just fix it with this. Oh my god, it is a saver. And I will be posting a picture here so you guys can see which post I had done using the waver with my natural curly hair. And I literally just fixed my hair like that and it just came out so good. It comes in this cord that is like gold and it's like really thick. So I just want to let you guys know that. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways that you guys can do this. Let me just connect it. I don't know why I did not heat it up. Maybe because I was trying to hold it, you know, and I don't know. But let me see. I don't know why. Oh my god, it's like everywhere. Flavor looks like this. It's flat from this side. You guys want to be careful because this side is for sure going to be hot. I've burned myself before. It also has the settings right over here. You turn it on here, and then these are like the low or high. And then right here, basically turn it on. I turned it on right here. It has it set up to 360. I just leave it there. I try not to go any higher. I'm not really trying to do that. I'm not trying to burn my hair. I don't want to dehydrate my hair. My hair's already dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna let it heat up a bit. Also want to make sure that you put a heat protecting spray because, you know, you don't want to burn your hair. This one is from Suavecita and it says that protects hair from heat up to 450 with safflower oil and evening prime rose oil, and it's vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and gluten free. So you guys have not tried this, I highly recommend this one. Go ahead and just kind of like spray this all over. And my hair was like curly. I ended up just using the Revlon blow dryer just to kind of like blow dry it a bit and kind of like tame it down because I don't want to do it when my hair's curly, because I want to show you guys how you guys can do it with your hair if it's like this. Because I feel like a lot of people have natural hair like this or like wavy, you know, and you know, I just feel like I'm blabbering too much now. So let's just go ahead and move on from this. Okay. As you can tell, I don't really do hair tutorials. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're going to just kind of do this. And we're going to get a little hair here so you guys can see what this does. We're going to just grab this here. And I'm going to show you guys really quick. So you can do 2 things. You can kind of go on based off where your hair is now and just kind of do like little spots if you want to just make it a little wavy. Or you can actually go by layers of your hair and wave it. That's what I'm trying to do. So we're going to just slowly do this so you can see. I like to make sure that I have the flat top first on top and the other part in the bottom. But you want to make sure that you don't burn yourself. So I'm doing this without a mirror, so don't judge me. And we're slowly just going to do this. And it's really easy to use, you guys. Not hard at all. I'm just going to move a little so I can see. And we're going to just bring that and kind of do this. As you guys can tell, you can start seeing that it's starting to wave. And I'm like obsessed with this. I haven't stopped using it ever since I got it. I feel like it's just like a vibe, you know? And I feel like this is going to be like a little trend for 2021, like I said in the beginning of the video. But do you guys see how cool that already looks? Like, that is freaking cool. So we're gonna just kind of do parts of the hair. You can just gonna grab any hair here, and doesn't have to be that much. And you can kind of go in like this and slowly wave it. Like I said, you could do this or you can do by layers. It just depends how you like doing it. I always like doing layers because I have so much hair, and I feel like if I do this, it's not gonna be like good enough for me. So it's up to you. I'm gonna be putting the price right here of this, and also you can get the Bellami one, or you can also get the, I think, insert name here. I have seen this promoted so much, and I actually want to try theirs, but I don't know if it's as good as the Bellami, because I feel that the Bellami is more of a deeper waver and that one's like more of a loose wave. I don't know. That's up to you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried the insert name here one. But as you guys can see, it just kind of starts looking like this. And you don't have to do like the whole thing. You can just do some parts if you want, just so you can kind of have like a wave. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing my whole hair and just kind of do parts on it. I hate doing my hair, you guys. You guys have no idea how much I hate doing my hair. The hairs. Honestly, when people are doing their hairs, I feel like it's like the time when you're like the most ugliest, because you don't care how your bun is looking. You're just trying to just finish doing your hair. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I literally get so scared to grab this, and it's so easy. Do you guys see how this is looking? It's like really, really cool, and it's so easy to use, you guys. Like, you guys see, it's like literally little by little, and you don't have to leave it for that long. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried something like this. What are your guys' thoughts? Would you guys even buy this? I honestly wish I had a discount code for you guys so you guys can buy it with a code, because I feel like these are always pricey in general. I don't know if there's anybody that you guys follow on Instagram or anybody that has a Bellami code, but you guys can try to see if it's on sale, especially with the holidays. It just depends on the holidays if they have any specials. Maybe you guys can check it out if they do. Let's see how fast that is going. And I've been obsessed with this, you guys. Like, I have been loving to do these. I feel like it's just so easy to do. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of doing a little lapse of this, because I feel like you seeing me do my hair like this might take a while. So I'm gonna do like a time lapse of my doing my hair, and I'll be right back. So do you guys see how easy this is? Like, it's so fast, and honestly, it's like one of the products that I love. I just love using this tool for my hair. I think it's like one of the best tools, especially if you're trying to get like that wavy hair. Normally, I would always have to straighten my hair, because I have curly hair, you guys. So I always have to do like double the work. I have to straighten my hair and then kind of wave it with the wand. And it was nice, but I get so tired of doing that. So I actually really, really like this product. I mean, I still kind of have to straighten my hair if I want to get like this kind of wave, but I also can get that with my curly hair, which I love. Like, I just have to fix my curly hair, and that is just really, really cool that I'm able to do, and I just like it so much. So I'm like obsessed with it, and that's why I was like, you know what, I should probably do a YouTube video, especially since I have been showing you guys my hair like that. And I did get a lot of comments of you guys wanting me to like show you guys how I did my hair like that. So I thought it was pretty cool that you guys wanted to see that, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that since I don't do hair tutorials. So yeah, I'm like having fun doing my hair on camera. I never get to do this, so I'm sorry, I'm like going like this so I can see my hair, because I film my videos on my phone and I have a ring light, my mirror's in the back, and I have my lights here, and I can't really see myself, so I'm just like kind of doing this without a mirror, and I'm just kind of seeing my eyes in the back. I don't know, I feel like I'm just blabbering, but this is really, really cool. Let me know if you guys would actually get something like this. What do you guys think? And also, what do you guys are going to do for Christmas? I feel Christmas this year is gonna be so different. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Most likely I'm gonna have to stay home, but man, it's gonna suck. Like, it's really, like, it's gonna suck, because, you know, Christmas is always a place where you can be with the family, and it's just so different this year now. Like, it really, really is, and I'm just sad about it. I feel like this year has been really hard for a lot of us, to be honest. I for sure had a really, really rough year, especially since I lost like 10 pounds. I was pretty sad about that because I'm already naturally a small person in general. Like, I am 5 feet, and right now I am like weighing 95. And, you know, I just lost the weight because I was not eating well, and I was sick from my anxiety and all of that, and that caused me to have like gastritis, and it was just like a whole struggle, you guys. And mentally, it was really, really hard for me this year. It really, really was, especially since I got like an anxiety, like a panic attack, I'm sorry, and I had to take anxiety pills, and I did not like that. I didn't like the fact that I had to take some pills to, you know, try to feel normal. So what I ended up doing was I ended up starting to do yoga, and I started reading, and I feel like that helped me so much. I also started getting into aromatherapy, so I bought myself like a air diffuser, and that helps me a lot. It really, really does. But I feel like I'm not the only one when it comes to quarantine and mental illness. I've never experienced anxiety the way I experienced it this year, but it also has a lot to do with like my family problems in my household. So that had to do a lot with it, and that was like one of the hardest things for me, to be honest, to deal with, because something happened in my family that like kind of changed everything, and it's not the same anymore. You just kind of have to realize that things are not going to be the same. Let me just tell you guys, my family is just not the same anymore. I just feel sad about it, and you know, I know I'm old, maybe not old, but I am 26, and having to find out that like my parents want a divorce is something that like kind of still feels weird to me. But I'm slowly getting like telling myself that it's okay. I don't know why I'm talking about this. I just feel like sometimes whenever I'm doing my hair, I kind of want to vent, and that's what's going on right now. So I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like literally blabbering about anything, and I feel like that's my brain these days. I just kind of talk about random stuff, and yeah. But I've been struggling, and I feel like I'm not the only one, and that makes me feel a little bit better, because I know that I'm not the only one having to deal with family problems, the quarantine, all of these things are just hard in general. So if you guys are having a hard time, just know that you guys are not alone, and things will fall into place whenever it needs to. And just remember to always love yourself and never forget who you are, and make sure that you always try to make yourself happy yourself, because that's something I struggle with a lot too. I always want to make sure that everyone around me is happy and all that stuff. And honestly, you guys have to just love yourself, take care of yourselves, and just always pray that you guys are going to be happy. So enough about me. That's enough about me, you guys. I try not to talk about like my personal life so much, because you know, the internet has been really scary these days, and you sometimes, whenever you do feel like you're talking about yourself a lot in the internet, you kind of start getting vulnerable about what people could say. So just make sure to always be nice to people, because you have no idea what's going on in their personal life, especially, you know, online. People are not going to show exactly what everything's going on. So just make sure you guys are always being nice. Guys, so far this is how it's looking. Do you guys see how beautiful it is looking? It's just bomb.com. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish off the rest off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is how the hair looks now that it's done. I'm telling you guys, it's like so freaking fun to do. And do you guys see how amazing the hair looks? Obviously, I have like a lot of hair, you know, so my hair is obviously gonna look really big, but I feel like if you have like that decent amount of hair where it's like not too much and not too little, it's going to look so pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys feel like this product seems like too hard to use? Let me know in the comments below. I know I went like a little bit too deep into like my emotions and like my life, but yeah, a lot of things has been going on in my life, and I just haven't shared so much about it because it is a struggle. and I'm slowly learning to live with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial. I'm not used to doing hair tutorials, so I don't really know so much about hair. I just kind of go with whatever the flow, and you know, I don't really have patience with my own hair, to be honest. And I know I'm not the only one. I hate doing my hair. So thank you guys again for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, make sure you guys are following me there. And thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.